Dreamweaver has a number of different ways that you can zoom in and zoom out of your page. This is especially helpful when you're working on a photo. One way is by going up to the main menu across the top and clicking on View. Then you can go down to either zoom in or zoom out. Over on the side there's a little keyboard shortcut for both. Control and the equals sign will allow you to zoom in, and Control and the hyphen sign will allow you to zoom out. There are some zoom tools in the lower right-hand corner of the document window. You'll see a little selection tool, which is what I have right now, and then there's a hand tool and a little magnifying glass, which is the zoom tool. If I click on the zoom tool, you'll notice I have that little magnifying glass with a plus sign. Now I can click somewhere on my page and zoom in each time I click. If I hold down the Alt key on my keyboard, that little magnifying glass now has a little minus sign inside of it. Now I can click and zoom back out. If I click a number of times to zoom in, I can move to a different spot in my page two different ways. I can come down here and click on this little hand tool. This will then allow me to click and drag to somewhere else on my page. Or to get a temporary hand tool, I can hold down the space bar, and you can see that changes to a little hand. Now I can click and drag, and I can move to a different spot. I'll hold down the Alt key and click a number of times to zoom back out. You can also draw a marquee with the zoom tool to define a specific area to zoom in on. I'll click and drag on the front of the house here, and when I let go of the mouse, I'm zoomed in to that area.